Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, showed off the updated design of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra in a new video. On the other hand, new information data, the first live photos of the Samsung Galaxy S26 have been published, the smartphone was shown in a powered-on state, and many other exciting details. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. There are still about 2 weeks left until the official premiere of the Galaxy S26 series. Tech Insider Phone Nord has published a video showcasing the updated design of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra flagship smartphone. The video appears to show a mock-up of the device, reflecting the actual design. The first thing that catches the eye is the updated camera module. The sensor layout remains the same, but an oval base reminiscent of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been added. The corners are more rounded. Otherwise, the new device resembles the same as the Galaxy S25 Ultra flagship. The device is reportedly shown in white, but it looks more like gray. Such mock-ups are typically used by accessory manufacturers to create cases, and they accurately capture the device's dimensions and shape. On the other hand, the first live photos of the Samsung Galaxy S26 have been published. The smartphone was shown in a powered-on state. A working prototype leaked online 11 days before the official premiere. The first high-quality photos of a real device from the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 flagship line have surfaced online. The images show the Galaxy S26 Plus. Judging by the technical codes on the back panel, this is a fully functional prototype, being used by engineers for final testing. The fact that the device was found for sale on eBay adds a special twist. The leak confirms information previously published by various insiders. In the photo, the smartphone is turned on, but the screen is set to the Galaxy S25 wallpaper. This could be either a quirk of an early prototype firmware update, or an attempt to hide the software innovations of One UI 8.5. The leak of photos of a live Galaxy S26 represents a serious breach of secrecy. If the identity of the official tester, who received the device, is identified by the unique codes on the device's case, they could face significant fines and lawsuits. The official launch of the Samsung Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus and Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected on February 25th in the US. Pre-sales will start on March 11th. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.